Citizenship education in schools is often diminished by an orientation towards having students master a body of facts relating to a nation's history and its present state of affairs. Effective citizenship, however, requires that we help students develop a sense of identity as a citizen and assist them in developing the disposition of active citizenship. In the Statecraft learning program, we have developed a game called Statecraft X to assist us in this endeavor. In this learning program, students learn citizenship through enacting governorship. In the process, they better understand the relation between governance and citizenship. The Statecraft learning program is based upon a model of play between worlds. Students are situated between three different worlds as they enact the Statecraft program. The first world is the game world of Vela, where students play a mobile game based upon the Apple iPhone. The second world is that of Babylonia, which is an entirely fictional world created through the play of imagination. And the final world is a set of worlds which is called the real world, where students draw upon their knowledge and understanding of events that take place in real-world countries. The Statecraft game takes place in the game world of Vela. This is a fantasy world that is populated by humans, elves, trolls, and dwarfs. The game world is constructed through game rules, and therefore the game world provides feedback to students on the actions that they take in that world. Babylonia, in contrast, is a total world of imagination, and therefore it creates free play for students to construct that world the way they want it. The backstory of the game is that the king of Vela has passed away, leaving no heir. The 20 students are divided into 4 groups or factions, which we call Pegasus, Griffin, Phoenix, and Dragon, and they compete between themselves in order to exercise power over the kingdom. Each citizen begins the game as the governor of a town in Vela. They face the challenges of developing the town's economy, meeting the basic needs of its citizens, balancing the conflicting demands between individual citizens and the faction as a whole, maintaining race relations between the different races in the town, and providing for the defense needs of each town. As students progress through the game, they have the option of taking over other towns, which may be neutral towns, or they may be towns that are governed by other players in the game. They may choose to do so either by diplomatic means or by force. This decision has to be weighed carefully and decided thoughtfully because it impacts how the game plays out. The first half of the game is characterized by competitive play as each faction seeks to gain control of the capital city. The second half of the game, however, is characterized by cooperative play as the students from all factions find that they face a common threat in the form of the potential invasion of their country by a neighboring kingdom. The game is played typically over a period of 3 continuous weeks. Students can access the game anytime and anywhere. When students meet together in class, they share and make sense of their game experiences with one another. In between class sessions, students are asked to complete reflective blogs that serve as means of distilling their thinking about citizenship and governorship as they play the game. In-class activity culminates in students presenting a speech to make a case for why they would be good governors based upon what they have learned through the experiences of playing between the worlds of Vela, Babylonia, and the real world. The Statecraft program seeks to develop students' identity as citizens and to instill in them the disposition of active citizenship. The true test of the effectiveness of this learning program is the extent to which students can make and justify decisions that they believe in and are deeply committed to in the realm of citizenship.